Yo, what's up everybody, it's Maracrois, and we're diving deep into the world of tap-to-pay apps. Gone are the days of fumbling for your wallet at the checkout. We're in 2025 and pulling out your phone is the new normal. But with so many different apps vying for a spot on your phone's home screen, the question is, which one does it best? From Apple Pay to Google Pay, Samsung Pay, PayPal, and even Venmo, we're gonna break down the features, the perks, and the overall experience to see which app reigns supreme in the tap-to-pay arena. We're talking speed, convenience, security, the whole 9 yards. So whether you're a die-hard fan of one ecosystem over another, or you're just looking for the absolute best way to pay on the go, stick around, hit that subscribe button, and let's find out which app deserves a spot on your phone. First up, we've got Apple Pay, the OG of the tap-to-pay game. You know Apple, they're all about that clean, intuitive experience, and Apple Pay is no exception. Setting it up is a breeze, especially if you're already knee-deep in the Apple ecosystem. Just add your cards to the Wallet app and you're good to go. But the real magic happens when you hold your iPhone or Apple Watch near a payment terminal. That haptic feedback, that subtle sound, it just feels... Plus, with Touch ID or Face ID baked right in, you know your transactions are secure. No more worrying about someone swiping your card info. And let's not forget about the Apple Card integration. The cashback rewards, the color-coded transactions, it all just adds to that seamless premium experience that Apple is known for. Whether you're grabbing a coffee or buying a new tech gadget, Apple Pay just works. Next up, we've got Google Pay. And let me tell you, Google is bringing the heat when it comes to rewards. We're talking cashback, discounts, special offers. You name it, Google Pay probably has it. They're really trying to incentivize you to ditch that physical wallet. And the cool thing is, Google Pay isn't just limited to Android phones anymore. You can use it on iPhones too, although you won't get the same level of integration as you would on Android. But hey, rewards are rewards, right? Plus, Google Pay has this really slick feature where it automatically pulls up loyalty cards and gift cards when you're at the checkout. No more digging through your wallet or scrolling through a million apps. Google Pay just makes it happen. It's those little touches that really elevate the experience. Chapter 3, Samsung Pay, the power user's choice. Alright, let's talk Samsung Pay. Now this one might not be as widely used as Apple Pay or Google Pay, but trust me, it's got some tricks up its sleeve. We're talking about features that cater to the power users out there. First off, Samsung Pay works with almost any payment terminal, even those old-school magnetic stripe readers. That's because it uses something called Magnetic Secure Transmission, MST technology, which basically emulates a physical card swipe. Pretty cool, right? But wait, there's more. Samsung Pay also has a built-in loyalty card system, so you can store all your loyalty cards digitally and rack up those points. And if you're someone who hates carrying around multiple cards, this feature alone might be a game changer. Chapter 4, PayPal. The OG digital wallet goes mobile. Now we can't talk about digital payments without mentioning PayPal. They've been around forever, and they've really cemented themselves as a leader in the online payment space. But how does their mobile app stack up against the competition? Well, PayPal has a few tricks up its sleeve. For starters, you can use PayPal at a ton of online retailers, which is super convenient. And they've also been expanding their in-store presence, so you can use it at more and more physical locations. Plus, PayPal has this really cool feature called Pay in 4, which lets you split up your purchases into 4 interest-free payments. It's like having a built-in installment plan, which can be super helpful for larger purchases. Chapter 5, Venmo paying your friends the social way. Last but not least, we've got Venmo, the app that's basically become synonymous with paying your friends back. Whether it's splitting the bill at a restaurant or paying your roommate for rent, Venmo makes it super easy to send and receive money from people you know. But Venmo isn't just for peer-to-peer payments anymore. They've also been making a push into the mobile payment space, allowing you to use Venmo at select retailers, and they've even got their own debit card now, so you can use your Venmo balance anywhere that accepts MasterCard. And let's be real, one of the best things about Venmo is the social aspect. You can add emojis to your payments, leave comments, and even see what your friends are spending their money on, if they have their transactions set to public, that is. That's it for today's video. Thanks for joining me on this journey into the world of tap-to-pay apps. We've covered a lot of ground today, From Apple Pay's seamless integration, to Google Pay's generous rewards program, Samsung Pay's innovative features, PayPal's online dominance, and Venmo's social payment experience. Honestly, it's tough to say definitively which app is the absolute best. It really depends on your individual needs and preferences. If you're all about that seamless, secure experience, Apple Pay is a solid choice. If you're all about racking up rewards, Google Pay is the way to go. And if you're looking for something that works with almost any payment terminal, Samsung Pay has got you covered. If you've got experience with any of these apps, be sure to share your thoughts in the comments below. Let me know which one you use the most and why. And if you want to stay up to date on the latest tech trends and innovations, be sure to check out our other videos and hit that like and subscribe button.